Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to take your business or personal brands to the next level by partnering with Temu? Here's how you can establish a formal partnership. The first step is to explore partnership opportunities. Temu offers multiple avenues for partnerships, such as vendor partnerships, selling your products on Temu's platform, or affiliate program, which is earning commissions by promoting their products, or brand collaboration, which is co-marketing campaigns or sponsored events. The second step is to prepare a proposal. If you're a business, ensure you have a clear product or services that aligns with Temu's audience. And for influencers or affiliates, present your engagement metrics, audience insights, and collaboration ideas for references. As for the third step is to contact Temu's partnership team. And to do that, just visit Temu's website or app and look for the partnership section or relevant contact forms, and alternatively email them directly at their partnership address if listed. Your message should include an introduction to your business or brand and why you're interested in partnering, and a proposal outlining mutual benefits. The fourth thing you're gonna do is negotiate and finalize the agreement. Once Temu expresses interest, discuss the partnership details including terms, timelines and compensation, and if applicable, review and contracts carefully to understand your obligations and rights. And for the final thing is to launch the partnership. Start fulfilling the partnership goals such as listing your products, creating promotional content, or driving traffic through your affiliate links. For more tips, keep communication clear and professional at every step, and track performance metrics to demonstrate the value of your partnership, and be proactive in suggesting new ideas to enhance the collaborations over time. And that's it. These were some tips on how to partner with Temu. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.